Hey, Katie here from Simply Earth, here to share a super easy way to make your home smell more natural with our natural home diffuser blend. For this diffuser blend, you'll need 2 drops of lemon essential oil, 1 drop of tea tree essential oil, and 1 drop of nutmeg essential oil. I'm going to add these to my diffuser. This diffuser blend reminds me of sitting in a clean cabin surrounded by woods and enjoying nature. I love this blend when I'm feeling stuffy or just need a clean scent in my home. If you love this blend, feel free to make a master blend using a 5 milliliter bottles, which comes in our big bonus box. To do so, add 50 drops of lemon essential oil, 25 drops of nutmeg, and 25 drops of tea tree to fill up your master blend so that you have this blend ready to go whenever you want to use it. To get everything you need for this recipe, plus more, subscribe to our Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box, which comes with 4 full-size essential oils, 6 natural recipes, plus the things you need to make them. And when you subscribe, we also send you our big bonus box. This box is filled with natural ingredients and containers you can use to bring your recipes to the next level and make your home more natural. Subscribe today and don't wait. Last month we sold out of our monthly box. So get online to simplyearth.com and subscribe today to be confident in your clean home.